The Moonami Achievers Program. The Moonami Achievers Program is designed to make you money. But that's not all. We know that happiness is not just about making money. This is why we have created a life opportunity that will help you achieve balance. If you want to make money, the map is for you. If you want to personally grow, the map is for you. If you want to be involved with the community, the map is for you. If you want all three, our map will help you achieve balance in living and ultimately a happy you. The map is not just a business opportunity, it's a life opportunity. We sell products and your job is to market our products. By successfully marketing our products and services, you will earn a marketing income and Achievers Rewards. Here's how it works. All you will need is access to the internet and a passion for achievement. There are 4 steps. Step 1, register for free. Step 2, shop and share. Step 3, activate your account. Step 4, follow your GPS. Step 1, register for free. Once you have registered, you will have access to your online lounge. This is your own personal business center with all the tools you need. Your own personal site, which gives you global presence in order to market Moonami with ease. The GPS, your guide to success. And the Achievers Community. Step 2, shop and share. As a marketer, you will be promoting our products and services globally and within your community. You can do this with confidence by visiting or referring others to our online store, which carries an expanding array of luxury products at competitive prices, aimed to enhance your personal growth